Welcome back to the channel, man. What's going on? It's your boy 302. We back with another video, man. And today we're gonna talk about the Boss 302, of course. If you haven't seen my last video, you can go check that out. No, our last video you seen, this is just an update on the Boss. So yeah, let's get into that. I wanted basically as soon as that happened, I took the car like the next day in for my guy to check it out, and yeah, he told me what happened. I know exactly what happened now, and the verdict is a spun bearing. Yeah. So yeah, I spun the bearing. The car is took apart right now. It's in pieces. So, you know, we gonna work that out. This is not my first time going through this. You know, if you haven't seen, if you go back to my videos, you can see my second video when I basically explain how I got the name 302 Nightmares, and as you can see, we still having nightmares. But you know, it's a part of the game. I ain't really tripping like that. The car is up at the shop right now. He got two guys ahead of me that he working on, and then he'll be working on my car. So I'll say probably be back around with Thanksgiving time or something like that. But you know, just give me time to prepare for other things I planned on doing anyway, because I'm trying to you know, get a truck so I can had to tow the car around, tow the car to racetracks and stuff like that. So it ain't really no big deal. We gonna get it fixed. We gonna get back on the road most definitely. So I ain't even stressing enough for that. But how y'all doing, man? Definitely got a lot more planned for the channel and stuff like that. I'm also about to start rating my subscribers' cars. So if you got a nice car build and you on YouTube or anything, or on Instagram, and you want me to do like a review on your build, you could DM me DM me your car and your modifications, and I'm DMs. I check my DMs all the time, so you can just DM me on Instagram your car and your build, and I'm gonna make videos basically giving my review on your setup, your build, you know, stuff like that. Just trying to interact with my subscribers and stuff like that. You know, become one with the subscribers. You know, like get to know y'all guys a lot better and stuff like that. So you could just hit me up in the DMs and do a review on your car and stuff like that. So you know. Yeah, to be honest, I don't know what really caused it, but it is what it is. I'm not really tripping on it. Yeah, so you know, I got some other content coming on the way. Me and my homies, we doing like a rebuild on this car, so I'm gonna definitely you know, keep y'all updated on that. Just other content while the car is down, being rebuilt and stuff like that. Not nothing too crazy. I couldn't really get like I'm gonna try to go to the shop and get a video of how the car. I'm gonna keep y'all updated with the whole process and stuff like that. But as for now, you know, the car is spun the bearing, the car is down, and currently, well, like I said, the engine is halfway apart already. So we're gonna drop the engine and we're gonna get everything fixed and what was down, and we're gonna come back 100% strong. You know that. I hate that I'm missing like track events and stuff like that, but it come with the game. I ain't really tripping like that. Yeah, you know, I look forward to rating my subscriber cards and stuff like that. You could send those in, and I'm gonna definitely do that. But yeah, as of right now, I'm out of commission for a little while, which is cool. I ain't really tripping. Give me time. You know, holidays coming up and stuff like that. So I'm not about to stress out about a car and stuff like that. It's not really that serious. But yeah, just know next spring I ain't playing games, so y'all be ready. You know, we gonna get real busy. I didn't even really get a chance to whoop ass like I wanted to in the car, but I'm glad things happened before I even got to really racing the car hard like that and stuff like that. I was mad I missed Street Car Takeover though, because I planned on winning that go round, but it is what it is. That track is closing down, so I got a video of that too. You can go check that out. But yeah, that's really much it. Like, actually damaged two bearings. Two bearings on the car was damaged. But like I said, it's not a big deal. I might add some things to the car, like some cams or something like that. Some cams. Still getting still gonna get probably a T56 or a stage 3 Ben Caliber MT82 transmission. Gotta add that, or I should do an auto swap. Leave it down in the comments which I think I should do. Thinking about doing an auto swap, but I don't know. I like banging gears. It's something that I do like I want to go over to that auto side, but something about, I don't know, banging gears that I'm not really over with yet. Like, we'll put it this way, until auto beat me, I think I'm gonna stay 10 speed. I mean, until 10 speed or something like that beat me, and it's a driver error or something like that, I'm gonna stay with the stick shift. You know, I'm keep it down. You know, hold it down for all of, you know, the MT82 dudes and stuff like that. I'm gonna try to hold it down for them guys. I'm still here. Say the manuals, you know, I'm still here. But for the most part, that's about it. If I add some goodies, I will let y'all know. Like, thinking about locking out the cams, probably upgrade valves, stuff like that. But for the most part, might even add a shot of nitrous or something like that to the car. So, you know, just stay with me, man. Stay with me. Like, we trust me. The content is coming. I'm a busy man, but I'm gonna keep y'all updated. I'm gonna keep y'all updated with what's going on for the most part. But yeah, send them DMs in so I could get some cars to do reviews on all my. You gotta be subscribed to me, of course. You know, let me know you subscribed. Send me pictures of the cars. Send me if you got dyno videos. If you got anything, I'll definitely give you a shout out on YouTube and give you my opinion on the car, on your car, basically, of what I like about it, what I don't like about it, what I feel could be done better. But of course, I'm not gonna be disrespectful or nothing like that. Just a review on, you know, my subscribers. And I love this Mustang stuff. I love it. I'm in it. I'm in it for life. Like, I can't even see myself in another car right now. But yeah, for the most part, that's about it. Make sure, you know, like, comment, leave us subscribe, leave a comment down at the bottom, like, because most of y'all was right anyway. I checked through the comments and stuff like that. Everybody was saying that I probably spun the bearing or was bearing damage or something like that anyway. But yep, that was it. But you know, it's your boy 302, just giving y'all a quick update. I ain't want to leave y'all out the loop too long, but that was just a quick update on the car. Yeah, we down for a minute, baby. But you know, it's almost build season anyway. It is boost season too, but ain't nothing really going on right now anyway. So you know, that's just, it is what it is, man. But yeah, it's your boy 302. I'm up out of here.
Rainy days, smoke right through the tents. Waffle House is packed on 85. I hop for the fucking switch. Phone ringing, I just got my plate. Smelling like a pound. Shorty talking about pull up the Garden Lake. Pancakes, I'm about to violate. 5 minutes, shorty, then you know a real nigga on his way. Traffic.